Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today let's go the Calabar way. So I have my crayfish, I have my black pepper, I have my rodo, I have my maggi, I have my onions, I have my oil, I have my periwinkle, I have my ugu, I have my water leaf, then I have my stockfish, I have my fish, I have my pomo, and I have my meat. So I'll be making Edikaikong soup today. So start by getting a pot. Yeah, you know that. Put your pot on fire, and then you add your meat to the pot. Start adding your meat. As you can see, I added my pomo and fish and stocked fish. You can add all the what's it called, stocked fish, meat, pomo, and everything you want to use first, and then you allow it boil. Please don't add water to it first, although if you want to you can actually. So now I'm going to add my onions, my black pepper, my salt, my maggi. I'm going to cook the meat first. So you can actually start by cooking your meat first. So after adding all those, then you have to allow the meat cook, cover it and allow it cook for a while. And yeah, please don't forget to stir so you can mix up everything you added together. And while we're waiting for this to cook, we are going to prep our other ingredients. Like we're going to what's it called, clean our pepper and clean other stuffs. So we're going to use it neat. So I would start by cleaning and grinding the pepper. So yeah, you can use what's it called, you can use your blender, you can use your what's it called, grater, and you can use your asanka. Me, I'll prefer using asanka actually. I find it easier, and I don't know why I love using asanka, but yeah, I'll be using my asanka to blend my pepper and my what's it called, onions. So thank you for checking out our channel. If you're a newcomer, you're welcome. Thank you for opening our channel. Actually, we love and appreciate you. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're an old viewer, thank you for coming back to check out our channel. We love and appreciate you. Thanks for always coming back to see our latest upload. We love you. Thank you. So here I'm going to, you can see I'm blending my what's it called, pepper and onions together. And please don't forget to check your meat on fire so it doesn't burn. So you can check it, and with time you can add water to it. Add water, not too much water and not too little. Just add water according to your taste. Okay, so I don't like my soup dried, so because of that I'm going to be adding more water to this. But at this rate you can actually stop, you don't need to add more water to it. But I don't like my soup dried, so I'm adding more water to it. I like adding more water to it now, not when I've already finished putting everything. So yeah, I'm going to add more water to it, then I cover, and I'm going to allow it cook. I'm going to allow it boil for a while. Then as you can see, the water has reduced and it's looking like it's cooked to my satisfaction. So now I'm going to just add my pepper, and after adding my pepper I'm going to add my granite oil, sorry, my palm oil. I'm going to add my red oil, my palm oil to it, sorry for that. And after that I'm going to add my crayfish to it. It's not a must if you don't like crayfish. I'm adding it because I like it, but it is actually not a must. It gives it its own, it has its own taste. That's why I like adding crayfish to it. And I'm just going to allow it boil a little, then I come back to stir. I stir and mix everything together. After that I'm going to add my water leaf to it, and you don't have to add water again at this stage because the water leaf itself has water in it. So you just add the water leaf to it, then you stir, you mix everything together, and then you cover it and allow it cook for like for a while, for let me say like 10 minutes if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, for like 10 minutes or so. Please, as you're allowing it cook for that 10 minutes, don't forget to stir occasionally. Don't forget to open and stir occasionally. And also don't forget to monitor it so it doesn't burn. And also don't forget to cook on low heat. Please make sure you're cooking on low heat. So after allowing it cook for like 10 minutes, I'm going to add my ugu to it. After adding my ugu to it, I'm going to add my periwinkle. So I added my periwinkle, I added my pepper, and then I added my what's it called, my crayfish. Please don't forget to check it. Don't forget to taste if the salt and maggi you added earlier is still there and it is still making sense and it is okay. If it is not, if because of the other ingredients you added the salt and maggi has reduced, please add some more so your soup doesn't come out tasteless. But at this point, everywhere is supposed to be, oh god, the aroma everywhere is supposed to be giving, like at this point. So please don't forget to add all your complete ingredients. Don't forget to make sure the salt is there and it's complete. Don't forget to make sure your maggi added enough maggi and salt to it, not too much but enough. So after that, you have to like cook it. You can cook it for like 2 minutes or so. Cook it till it's ready. Then when it's ready, food is ready. Everybody can come and eat. Now there are different ways to cook this. It's not a must to cook it this particular way. There are different ways to cook it. And again, if you don't want to use the ugu leaf, you can use afang leaf and water leaf. It's not a must you use ugu. So there are different ways of actually cooking this. This is not the only way or the only method in cooking this. And also you can use any swallow to eat it. You can use fufu, you can use eba, you can use wheat, any of the above. Just serve it hot, eat it hot, jeez. And you will thank me later. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, you can tell us the way you cook yours in the comment section. Maybe next time we will try your own remedy. And please don't forget to let us know your name and where you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you. Thank you for staying with us on today's video. We hope to see you on all of our videos. We love and appreciate you. Have an amazing day. Bye.